Are you or a loved one struggling to recover from an addiction? We understand taking the first step toward recovery can sound daunting. We're a new class of professionals providing extensive, clinically proven therapy designed to give you a sense of well-being, an understanding of your addiction, and the tools to take back your life and cope with problems without the need for drugs or alcohol. Our highly experienced, caring, and certified team use the best addiction recovery services to treat prescription drug addiction, illicit drug addiction, and alcohol addiction with a high success rate. Throughout your recovery and beyond, we'll be here for you, arming you with strategies to navigate the challenges you may face. Making the choice to get help is the first step by contacting our center. We can offer you a real path to recovery. Contact us today. We're more than happy to discuss your personal needs and plan for your path to recovery.